Hello student. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 11. Yasya jananam tasya maranam means whoever is born is sure to die. So let's start with our introduction. It is our age old tradition to preach moral through stories. On the basis of information of a Sanskrit literature available today, it can be said that is the tradition has started with Jatakmala of Aryusha. It contains the stories of Lord Buddha's previous birth. The theme of these stories is where and what auspicious thing Buddha performed in his previous birth. Thereafter, many stories were written in a Sanskrit and still it is going on. It is the peculiarity of a Sanskrit stories that the name given to the character signifies the work or a quality of the character. In the present story, there are two characters. Vittadasa means a servant of wealth and a Kuntanatha means the master of frauds. Vittadasa is presented as greedy and Kuntanatha as a person cheating anyone by his fraud. There is one maxim in Sanskrit, lobha papasya karanam, means greed is a basic root of all sin. The present story explains how the greed causes harm by making one helpless to do unfair things. In the lesson, many adjectives and substantives are used, which will be helpful to know the use of a Visheshan and Visheshya. So let's start our lesson. अस्ति वित्तदासो नामः प्रभुतः लोभ समृद्ध कश्चित् वाणिज्यन. Vittadasa means a name of a person. Prabhutalobha means very greedy, and Vanikjana means a person who is doing a business, or Vanikjana. The translation of our line is, there was a certain rich merchant named Vittadas who was very greedy. Tasya kutnathabidh vaishya prativesikam asita means prativeshika means a neighbor, and kutnathabidh means name of a person, means he had a neighbor who was a merchant by the name Kutnath. एकदा कूटनाथेन चिंततं यदयं वित्तनाश धनकोऽपि लुब्धो वर्तते. एकदा means once. Kutnatha Chintatam means thought. Once Kutnath thought, this Vittadas is greedy in spite of being rich. Means Kutnath ekda Vittadas dhanako api lubdho vartate, means dhaniko api means very rich, and lubdho means be greedy. The Kutnath thought that Vittadas was very greedy if he is a very rich person. Atah kenapi upayena maya ase vachaniya means kenapi means by doing any deceived or having thought. Kutnatha means, as we know, the master of trick, as according to his name. Lubdhva means greedy, and Vajjaniya means should be fooled. So the Kutnath thought that This Vittas is greedy in spite of being rich, so he should be deceived by me by any means. Evam vicharya means thus thinking. सकूटनाथ एकदा वित्तदासस्य गृहम् उपगम्यम् अकथत. This Kutnath, once having gone to Vidya's house and said, Bho Shreshthi. Bho Shreshthi, Bho means O. Shreshthina means a rich merchant. Asmakam means our. Bahava means many. Kutumbijana means relative. Swa. Swa means tomorrow. Atithaya means a guest. And Bhavishyati means will come. So translation of our line is, O rich merchant, tomorrow many of our relatives will be our guest. तेषाम् अर्थे भोजनादि निर्माणाय कानिचित् पात्राणि कृपयामहं यच्छतु. So please give me some utensil for preparing food, etc. for them. Paramscha tani pratyarpishyami means I shall return them a day after tomorrow. प्रातिवेशिक धर्म भावेन वित्तदास कूटनाथाय पात्राणि प्रयच्छति. Vittas handed over the utensil to Kutnath with a sensibility of his duty as a neighbor. पात्रोपयोगावसाने कूटनाथ पात्राणि प्रत्यपरीतु वित्तदासस्य गृहं गच्छतम्. Means after using this utensil, Kutnath went to Vidya's house to return the utensil. ते पात्रे सह कूटनाथ अन्यान्पि कानिचित् लघूनि नूतनानि पात्राणि अपि तत्र स्थापितवान्. Means Kutnath placed some new small size utensil also with this utensil. લઘુના નૂતનાના પાત્રાના દર્શનેન વિસ્મિત means by seeing the small size of new utensil, Vittadasa Kutnatham apruchat. Vittadas asked to Kutnath, Bho vayaska etani patrani mama nasti means, O rich man, these utensils are not mine. Oh friend, these utensils are not mine. Kutnath akathayat. Kutnath said, Mitra, yani patrani bhavata means, oh friend, these utensils were given to me by you give birth in my house at night. Yani patrani bhavati dattani tani mama gruho ratro prasutani means your utensil give birth to this small utensil at night at my house. Etani laguni nutanani patrani bhavata patranama patyani santi means these new utensil are the young one of your utensil. अपत्य रूपेण नूतनानि पात्राणि संप्राप्यम Vittadasa prasannajat means having got the new utensil as a young one, Vittadas was very pleased. व्यतीतेषु कतिपयेषु दिवसेषु कूटनाथ पुनरपि वित्तदास पात्रार्थ प्रार्थयत. When some days passed, Kutdas again requested Viddas for the utensil. प्रदत्तेभ्य पात्रेभ्य अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति इति दुर्मत्या प्रेरितो वित्तदास तस्मै सर्वांग इष्टानि पात्राणि दत्तवान्. Vittas prompted by the wrong thinking that there would be gain even more utensil than the utensil given, he gave him all the utensils that he desired. व्यतीते अपि एक मासे यदा कूटनाथ पात्राणि न प्रत्यर्पितवान् तदा चिन्तामापन वित्तदास कूटनाथं गृहं गत्वा स्वकीयानि पात्राणि अयाचत. Means even after 1 month passed, when Kutnath did not return the utensil, Vittas, who was worried, went to Kutnath's house and asked for his own utensil. Kutnath sashokam akathayat. Kutnath said with the sorrow, Bhavat sarvani patrani mrutani. All your utensils are died. वित्तदास कोपाविष्टं सन अकथयत. एषं कथं भवेत् भो वज्जक त्वं मिथ्या वदसि. Kutnath plucking up the courage and said in a quiet manner, Great man. Being overcome with anger, Viddas says, How it will happen like this? O cheater, you are telling lie. निर्जीवानि पात्राणि मरणं कथं संभवति? How the death of a inanimate utensil possible? कूटनाथ धैर्यम् अवलंब्य शान्तवचसा वदति. Kutnath plucking up the courage and said quietly, Mahodaya means O great man, yadi patraणां जन्म भवति means if the utensil give birth to a new young ones, तर्हि तेषां मरणम् अपि भवति. If the utensil give birth to young ones, then they will death also. पूर्वजानाति जातानि पात्राणि भवत गृहे विलसन्ति means the utensils born earlier are shining in your house. यानि पात्राणि भवन्ति दत्तानि तानि मम गृहे मृतानि. The utensils that had been given by you are died in my house. तत्र अहं किं कर्तुं समर्थ. So what can I do in that matter? पश्य means see. जन्म भवति पात्राणां मरणे संशयं कथम means the birth of utensil take place, so how can there be a doubt about their death? Jagati yat samutpanam nashyati sarvatha dhruvam means in this world whatever is produced surely get destroyed.